Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, my crypto teacher. This is a news alert. Biden preparing executive order on cryptocurrencies. White House reportedly is seeking a central policy role on crypto. Yes, key takeaways. First of all, my name is Ida. I bring you videos normally every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, but I could not go without making a video today on this very important news, because I need for you all to stay strong and understand that the projects that you're investing in, they are safe and you should feel good about what you have. If you're in crypto right now, you are in a fantastic place. Here's the article and you can look it up for yourself. The Biden administration is preparing executive order on cryptocurrencies. The Biden administration reportedly is preparing the order on cryptocurrencies. A key goal of the order is to develop a coordinated policy response from all agencies with an S, and departments with an S within the U.S. federal government. They didn't say they were going to have one small committee, one small office. Agencies and departments within the entire federal government. That's huge. That's big. That's humongous. Cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. Maintaining U.S. leadership in the global economy is another goal. The United States, they know what the deal is. They know the deal, Bill. If they want to maintain their superpower status, they better get with the freaking program lickety split quick right now. The order may be issued as early as February 2022. That's 7 days. Today is January 24th. 7 days. They already been working on this. Don't let them rip you off from your wealth. Don't let them do it. Stay strong and stay invested in the right projects. Remember, crypto is just software. You're just investing in the technology of the future, okay? And finally, news about the order came a day after the Fed released a report on the pros and cons of creating a U.S. central bank digital currency, a CBDC, right? If you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. So just know this. You can sleep well tonight knowing that when the United States signs off on these cryptocurrencies, when this executive order comes out, this market is going to explode. Make sure you are positioned in a way where you can capitalize off of this money. That's all I got. My name is Ida. I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you haven't already, please click subscribe. Click subscribe and click like if you've seen something or heard something that you like on this channel. So I am out. Get your crypto. It is coming. Adoption is here. Don't be cheated out your wealth. Have a fantastic evening. Bye.